Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a new cabin air filter in my 2018 Nissan Titan XD. This procedure is pretty simple. It's going to be a short video. It's going to be applicable to all the second generation Nissan Titans, both the XD and the regular version, as they all share the same cab. Truck's not that old, but as you can see, we've had a lot of pollen here in North Carolina, and personally I don't really want to be breathing that in. So come with me, we'll go ahead and go through this process. Should be pretty quick. Alright, so here we can see the pollen all over the side of the truck. The cabin air filter is located on the passenger side. It's going to be under the glove box, kind of back, straight back here. So what we're going to do is remove clips. There's going to be 3 clips under here and back up here that are basically the hinges for the glove box. Once we pull those, there is one string that connects it there, and the glove box should pop out, which will give us access back here to the filter for the change. All right, the filter we're going to be using is the Purelator Boss air filter, part PBC 25870, from Advanced Autos, just a little over $20. Said to fit the XD here. All right, so as I said, we're going to be removing these little hinge pins right up in here. Like I said, there's 3 of them. They've all got a little tab on the top of them. If you're able to, you can get your fingers behind and just pull, and they come right out. Okay, just little plastic pieces, don't require a lot of force. Okay, the second one is going to be right underneath, kind of towards the center here. Let's see if we can find where it is. Right here on the outside. See where my hand is? It's pretty accessible just to pull out. It goes to the left. All right, the last one's going to be a little bit more difficult. It's up behind this trim panel here. Okay, very important to not drop it, because it is very hard to get back out. All right, this third one you really have to get up under here. As you can see from the hinge is right there. That'll help you figure out where it was. Way up under there. It comes out to the right towards the door. Very important you don't drop it, because it will be. Okay, it does squish a little bit going in. I had to get that corner in there with that accordion design. Make sure we have both sides in. A bit of a tight fit here. Alright, once we have it kind of lined up, should fit in. There we go. Airflow the correct direction. Make sure it's all the way seated. Once it's in there, it has a little bit of room to move around and kind of settle. From this point, we'll go ahead and add the cover back on. These clips, as you can see, should just push and snap in. There's nothing fancy about them or difficult. So just line it up here. Give it a push, and you can feel both sides snap in. So slight delay there. Just got a phone call about my extended warranty. For some reason, they never seem to be wanting to cover my 2001 Corvette. I keep trying to get an extended warranty through them, and they just hang up on me each time. All right, if you're like me here, when jostling around here, the retention strap mechanism for the glove box falls out. It just goes in these 2 pins, pretty easy. It just goes back in and pushes to the side. Make sure the cord's not caught, and it's that easy. You're back in business. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to make sure we get the glove box back in. Make sure this cord is free here. We got the 3 hinges that'll go back in, and we are done with this job. All right, the easiest way I found to do this so far is just float the glove box in. So those two upper retaining pins under there are behind the dashboard here, so it's the bump stop when they're supposed to. Without putting the hinges in, go ahead and connect the strap right there, the recovery strap, while you have room to move it. It becomes a lot easier. After that, we can go ahead and close it. The latch will hold it. Remember, we've got the 3 hinges we're going to put back in. The outer ones both come in from the passenger side, and the middle one goes in from the driver's side. All right, guys, we are now done. Glove box is back in. Functions like it's supposed to. No problems. The only tools we really used is just a hook or a pick just to get that retention strap on and off. Otherwise, all you need is the new filter. Make sure you orient it like the old filter and you are good to go. All right, thanks for watching 4K Motoring. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content. Anything in particular you want to see, feel free to leave comments down below. We'll see what we can do. All right, we'll be back.